Hamabara Julius Shomeno msajja muliso mweha mwoli. Welcome again to this another episode Hakitara TV. Of course this episode tukulete ile surprise. Ndi hakiapa kinu bakete isomo lino bayeta Buyaga Parents Secondary School Kienzige. Nkamanyi kandi Buyaga Progressive nyurira. Tuli Buyaga Parents Secondary School nho tuli akaire kanu kenyini. Aroho mwana wa senior 4 obantumire kuba ni surprisinga haisomero lino ajja kwikala ebizamu bya senior 4 so bantumire haisomero lino kuba ni surprisinga omwana ono ngenda kusaba osigaleho orole story enu orole bitumuleteire orole orole kiki story gifollowing ngenda kusaba subscribinga channel Hakitara TV following personal handles zange Julius Shomuhendo amikutu yona halokali kubaijukiza tuli omwitwaro lino lya kichuka kino bakyeta Kienzige kandi Kienzige eri munyamasazi ya Kagadi nkwenda kusima nywe nabakumpaga ku emilimo yo surprising abantu nabiki byonebyo nkubasima muno so today tuli Kienzige Kagadi sigaraho omwana otojja ku surprisinga bakumweta ime asaba maturate asaba ajja kuikara senior 4 tumuletera success card n'ebintu ebindi so otarugaho hondere story eno bu nyina ono bamweta Nuru hakamera nuwe twina Nuru Films my friend Nuru so abakutondera Hakitara TV tuhikire tuli mu compound ya isomero lino balieta Buyaga Parents tiniri Buyaga Parents Secondary School tukwenda kubatwetero mwana ono bakumweta ime asaba moyo bangambire ge head teacher ni woli hatikangene ntoze head teacher oli cameraman banzo sigale munanka mu close up banzo sigale mu close up we kuja tukwenda oje kinanka kino oyiho muyaga gwigi gukundanka enjire kwenda kutonya baitu tukatusabe osigaleho kisani kitafa so kwata o mic nankege kwata o wayeja bokuba ekuraba mu sound niwe mbayi nimbaze nayi wasimu
ni nyonyenye empaka moti
rota moti angeta moti
kurungia moto rota
head teacher
niyo head teacher wa Buyaga Parents Secondary
bangambere niwe na director
exactly
obo kubikwasa ganzota administration nina kuli
but basically mulimo gwange nyondi headmaster arora abantu abanda bakora mulimo gwa director but nyowe headmaster
oli head teacher
nyondi head teacher
hati tuizire kubungo mwaho hana isomero
yes
isomero ligamba litabuyaga Parents
Buyaga Parents Secondary School Kienzige nonje muno kandi tukurubasa kurunge mirimo in fact coincidentally muze mwasanga tumaliriza briefing etandikire nyinki yakara tugimalirize tukutekaniriza abana kujja kole bigezo byabo
hati aroho muntu amusona aroho muzaira antumire haro mwana student ya candidate bakumweta ime asaba immaculate
yes ya my daughter ya
amutumireho atubari tusaba gendo mutwetereho tuina aka surprise ka ye akumugondeza success bizamu bye tibakutandika kya balazi no that's fine hatika mfuno mwana muhabara bange bamunyetere trust come bamunyetere
on
now candidate
on tali candidate on student wa senior 1
wa senior
1
abakutondera Hakitara TV ono amabara tugambira amabara
ninyo walinda Peter
tuina Linda Peter no head teacher wa Buyaga Parents isomero hali tuli
asaba immaculate
you know asaba immaculate
senior 4 body
so tuina head teacher ndi isomero lilita
general isomero lirungi habokuba ngero mukarozere environment nonji ngira mugiyetoreza mugirozere okurant compound ngazi ahantu okusakulira byona bikakwetagisa games and sports athletics okuregio laboratory yetu that is the main hall lab in main hall no tukora briefing then at these zona classes okure mitigona giromi rungi akabeho manyabwire bwa musana ntomusana gwajwa mwana yatalibana na anka takutalibana so hakakona ntakuyikalira amaizi tugende mu compound noranti buli kimu kyona kiri hano kandi with the new curriculum yekwetaga space okura enyuma hali twinozi cabbages
yo mutandikire
implementingira kimu ubero genzo okura projects zine enyuma twineye empunu twineyo vegetable gardens twine flower gardens nebintu ebindi so noranti
abana basakuliye ebyo
hands on ereta hano kintu ka meals in terms of diet ekyo kyo kiri automatic abokuba ebyabana ndibe tukugura tukubasasura then atito twakwenti tujja kutwara mukatale atito ntubintu zereza abana atokusanga omwana kujja kumara senior 4 atanikire mu senior 1 account yawo project we naka sente kaingi so kujja kwesanga omwana bakutaha mu kyaro na atandikiraho so otherwise nkusemerera muno
webale no kututangira
that's very interesting
ongambira ompondera
ondora amazima nkurora Akitaro Online TV nkurora kandi by the way onsemezo giro bukaguza bayikara no kaguza abantu
okatinjabu kukaguza
Ariale
nsintinjabu kukaguza
kandi riale omukutu ogwo guhinduwire ihanga lino kandi rwaguteka mutindo gundi kusinzira ebintu ebimukora ebintu yanyu byamani kandi muba muno deep kurante ihanga letu mu transformingire mu mbere zikwahukana riale kinsemeza muno kandi mfunira omugisa guno nyowe nkaidi ticha buyaga kurante bambe mwaija
twaija abakuto nuwono ime abakutonda Akitara TV ono nuwe ime how are you ime
fine how are
kurungi
yebo
ukoze umazire kora briefing
ngimaze tukagimalirize
kurungi hati bantumire nyo banyita Julius kyo muhendo ndugireho imoko
yego
bantumire haliwe aro sister wawe akwenda muno agambire Julius gendo ndolire sister ngo bamweta ime
yego
okutekiza sister wawe
sister I think bakumweta sisimaki Makirin yes
wowe nyini antumire haliwe
bambe I'm so happy
yagamba success in your exams
wow
success in your exams
yes
agambira kwenda muno
bambi na nyomo munda mgize bambi good
da nebindi letaka na kabox kanu kanu usakunanga okatitao na binu yagamba Edman osano kuteraga ebisani hanu mpora no leta gebyo so
nice.
Yaleta na binu ankuru tulize toro honda kasumururanta ebizamu byetegekeire kurungi
na share barona briefing so they are just directing us to the job call
so na binu byawe yangamba na binu mbikuletere
ambe munsi mire mugamba
yebali so
wow bami munsi mire mugamba yebale
success in your exams
bambi
bring bakwendo lete first grade
yes I will bring a promise a promise of being first grade
your lovely sister
bambi
ati bakugamba nobura mare kukola ebizamu t-shirt eno rolera huka abakutondera enjura niye tuli kubi baitu okusa kujwara mu t-shirt
that's nice
toli smart ni one
yeah I'm the one bambi it's nice
hati toina abanywa tukwenda tusale ne keki yagamba
then the dormitory is eating now
bakulya hati keki tutujja gisara nebyo okunywa twakuletera nebyo okunywa ekyo kwenda kunywa byona byona mbinu byona mbinu byona mbibyo nebindi mbibi
nambe musimire muno
adene keki nginu nayo success
barangi my sis
success in your exams
asaba immaculate I'm the one
you are the one hati yetaye munywani wa akusa kutwaya akayo tusaleho nayo twine munywani wa wao bali mudogo twina akusa kutweteraho hano ngubwo ono mmanyire okosoma nawo abakutondera Kitara TV tuli enjura niye tuli kubi batu tukiyaenda kusemeza how are you doing what is your name?
My name is Fred.
Are you a fellow student with her?
Yes.
Bizamo jya kubiraba kurungi webyetegekeire kurungi hata kusaba kufunira yakahyo kwa jumuina miyo mudomo timugini kali hati erimani ojja kutuyamba asaba ikwate nanka yawege turuge mu njura hano nabinu bikwate byawe turuge abakutondera Kitara TV enjure kutwaliza kali kyonka tugende samo ya hali turuge mu njura mu class you call your friends. Abakutondera tukiali where is Ime? You're the one calling people.
Yes.
Hata enjure bayire netalibanisa hata enjure keire tukiaina Ime. So Ime, who wrote?
I feel happy.
I want to call your sister obaze nawe.
Yes.
Yakule. So all these are candidates.
Yes.
Briefing mugimazire kurungi. You're going to get first grade.
Yes.
Hey, nyo mumanyire?
Yes.
No. I'm called Julius Chomuhenda, journalist with Kitara TV. Senior funka funa first grade, nanyo mnakufuna first grade. So if you want to become a journalist like me, get a first grade. Yes. Hello? Nina Ime hanu asemereirwe. Talk to her.
Hello sis. Ukinkole ile woza ngambira tubokyota izene wo buzireho
Ini kandi jomba inijja kola ki
baitiwe bambiwe bale no surprise yange bojo on surprise ngire muno ati manye kenda kukolera ngambe jasiki side garukira awange unantetere first grade mpaka kiri hali nyo
niyo tu kwenda kandi ofune na amani ga kweyongera yo malire kumukaga
ato baliso odumire Bambi webale bana. Kwega mamba ini munzana yo na yeche munyonya na mbere ndi ya ndisi akantene kemanyire. Beto yeche mwe na ngamba ni kalendi smart.
Kali shuritangi na vi check these things.
Yes, is there. kiri mungi.
Calculator ngino. Entekora.
Ekora.
Nuburatu yambizamu. Uwesimura katambara.
Wow.
Oli. Rukuye bikule.
Kale.
Ogene nenkaite mpya kabizamu. Kinyo size ya.
Niyo size yange 39 yo. Bambi sisi bozo webale bambi.
Atika tusale keki. Ne peni mute mtupepe togirozere. Peni ngijyo omuyongono. Kale katubanze tusale keki. Aha, saba kutondera Kitara TV. Na success in your exams n'abandi nywena success mu bizamu byanyu mukole kurunga isomero lino mulitumbule libe ly'amaani. You understand? Banga bakwenda kuba journalist like me. Barozere nja kubaha emirimu ya Kitara TV bulamu nda kuba ba journalists. English literature mugikole kurungi. Oye banga bakora literature. I'm going to ngenda bakaguza obutabu mu kusoma because mbumanyire. So okay, pick for me 4 people that you abakwenda kusara nabo keki. Abojo babiri n'abasiki babiri.
Ojo yine.
Abokwenda kusara nabo keki. Banu basatu.
Yes. Pick another one.
Okay. Kazi na keke mmanyira karungi tukazinemo. I tell you birthday. This is not a birthday. This is not a birthday. Kazi na kyakanda karungi. Congratulations takabayire. Ngenda kubara mukwato engeno muyo. Ngenda kutandikira 10 mpaka 0. Are we set? Mzuri? Ngenda kutandikira 10 100 99 70 30 10 5 4 3 2 1 0. So ati okusagabira abagenzi bawo kinaka. Yes. Success. So hati okwenda koraki okwenda kuba kiki okwenda kuba mu nanka mu future.
Kinkwenda kuba mu future. Nkwenda kuba journalist nkayo.
Hey.
Yes. Era ikorapo nabana abananka bona abali ba kutura. Literature. No.
Inagikora. Tunura mu kamera haraba kuri TV bagambire.
Abakundura TV. Kitara TV. Mbona nimbaramukia kandi nyona niyongera kubagamba barabina abana babaleta buyaga secondary school. Tunasoma letu lirungi kandi kuturera nka abana. Abo kwase ngabere babe bakweta ku invitinga mu jehano. So
nkwenda garuka mukurura unyizire ku celebrating a first grade.
I promise you.
Head teacher barozere bantu bona baraganize first grade. So abugambo bwa bukusemba yo hali sister wo kumusima.
Abugambo wange bukusemba ya sister wange bambi. Ni msima muno I feel so happy. Timanyero kikale kigambo kikonde manoko bati cyari sister wange ni mtumira muno ngambe bambi ayebale muno era mukama mungero nambere yihire.
Kandi baticha bawo kubaramukiyaho.
Baticha bange nimbaramukiyaho nawo nambere bakali. Nawo yaba konsomesa kandi mbasabira ni msaba bansabire nsobere kufuna first grade.
Ojagitunga.
Amina.
Ati gabiro keki abantu. Hakitara TV tukusembera ku bantu malize enteekaniza yaitu eno tubaire tuli hano mu Buyaga parents twizire ku bantu wishinga success hali asaba ime tukubasiima kubagane mutuhonderaho hali mukali all you need to do oina kubo tuhondereho amikutu yaitu yona o subscribing channel yaitu ona halo kalo sobole kuba no turora programs zetu zona zitakufera personal handles zange Julius kyo muhendo kusaka kumpondera hona hali okali oha twina prefect hano oba yabairo head prefect hano ajaba zona itwana
Sylvia
former head girl oba head prefect niwe Sylvia okaba head girl
Yes.
Hey, what is your name?
My name is Kansime Sylvia.
Hati handing over to who?
To Grace.
To Grace. Grace is not here.
She's a sub-candidate.
She's in senior 3.
Yes.
So so now ukutekanza kuja kutunga first grade.
Yeah.
How was your time when you're serving as a head?
You know, students, we are always stubborn, but I managed to do it as I managed to play my role as I.
When you were prefect, some student hate you because of Rugezi. You know that?
Yeah, you know, some students, when they do a case, they don't want to be reported, but that's good. You need to be counseled and guided. Yeah.
So iwa bakuzaranka.
Kagadi. Yeah.
Who was your head boy?
My head boy, Nasasila Elia.
Is he around? Nasasila is he around? Nasasila is he around? Where is Nasasila?
Elia.
Nasasila, you were the head boy. Do you know I was at St. Mary's and I was also a head boy? Head boy, senior A-level, I was head prefect. So how was your time when you were head boy?
It was massive. The students were well disciplined.
How did you convince these girls to give you the votes?
I convinced them by requesting them votes.
The votes.
Yeah.
So now are you fully prepared for senior FE exams?
Yeah. I'm prepared enough.
How are you prepared?
I revised and I'm ready to get A's only.
A's.
Yeah.
Tichangula kuhura.
Yeah.
Kale, thank you so much all of you abaire ni batuhondera hakintekanza yaitu na Kitara TV, and of course nkwenda kuba nierekereza ime t-shirt ogijwaire muga esente kutaziba zirezo urazibalira yoko mudomo urazibalira yoko urazibalira yoko oiroho Eriman kota kunterekisani nana okukosa iPhone obateza neno sananga bakutina head teacher bajja kutere head teacher nawe je tutekisani head teacher tukwenda kusima kutuha akaide kandi kangambe nabantu abakutuhondera hona abana babaleta
mazima
somero liri ndungi abana bagezi kurungi mahali tugenda banandi kamera zino microphone bazitina bari bano bali sharp ba mutawuni kisana hati mubatendeka kurungi
omunyoragira urufumo rugamba tindi yogirora mubiri boko no abana bana ukarwe insana yabo no mubongo nuko
kikali
hati nkwa kumanyisa abantu abakurora Kitara Online TV Buyaga Parent Secondary School isomero lya amani tuli mu kichweka ekichuleire an urban school in a rural setting isomero eri town beitu liri mu kichweka ekinyakwa hakuteeka in harubaju tukwenda kolesa kigambe ekiyaro beitu ahantu hateeka in harubaju bokwa no environment munji nasoma kitabo kayateeka ine atene kutalezo manya kyoma kyomucheri kiyayaka manya hano habaho ndongo manya haro disco so ahantu hano kyo kurora abana bano bona ba A and B materials. So na wekyo msaba bahuliriza bona baleta abana habuyaga parents kutandika omwaka gukwija twine classes kuruga sini ya kubanza kuka sini ya mukaga kantu na nebu center. So na wekyo aba teachers bona bali qualified kandi surprise en eyolekere nti nabuyaga ene byafa ebe kyajja gukora maisa
yamani muno yamani
surprise bere yamani so amabara nenyawali ndapita kandi omwekulembeze oba headmaster waisomero lyabuya ga parent second mwebale kwije n'ogundi mwije
okay nuwenu head teacher waisomero laitu linu iwe bihoire ebigambo oire kisabisano kubututeire na head teacher mututeire na head teacher about kukasa nanka
Yes.
Tusmailinge.
Yes.
Kale, okay, thank you so much. Kitara TV, intekanza zaitu zona mfollowinge ekiererezi ekibonwomu omusingi mfollowinge byone intekanza Kitara TV Kitara Gauzi mwebale muno kuba muroho ni mutufollowinga kasumikano kenyini leka twitete mu episodes ezindi ha Kitara TV mbaire Julius Kyomuhendo musajja muliso mwihabwa molo mpaka moti. Thank you so much. Ubaire Kagadi Kienzige district eno ya Kagadi hane MP ata Eric Musana nuwa Kiaro mukimugara temumugara. Kale, thank you so much.